Welcome, dear friends, to a journey back to nature's embrace, a gentle exploration of the profound wisdom held within the plant kingdom. In our modern world, we often find ourselves navigating a complex landscape of health, seeking solutions in isolated supplements and quick fixes. This approach, while sometimes necessary, can often overlook the deeper, more interconnected pathways to well-being. Today, we invite you to rediscover a concept as ancient as humanity itself, the living pharmacy. This isn't about replacing modern medicine, but rather about enriching our understanding and practice of health by tapping into the incredible power of plants. It's about recognizing the earth as a vast, vibrant source of healing, readily available to us all. Our focus extends beyond mere plant extracts or isolated compounds. We'll explore a holistic approach, understanding that plants offer more than just chemical constituents. They provide a symphony of benefits that resonate deeply with our entire being. We will delve into the energetic properties of plants, recognizing their subtle yet powerful impact on our mind, body, and spirit. This perspective allows us to appreciate plants not just for what they contain, but for how they interact with our own unique energetic blueprint, fostering balance and vitality. Our well-being is intrinsically linked to the natural world around us. This interconnectedness is a fundamental truth, often forgotten in our busy lives, yet it holds the key to profound healing and sustained health. When we align with nature, we align with ourselves. Plants are far more than just chemical compounds waiting to be analyzed. Each plant possesses unique healing attributes, a distinct energetic signature that contributes to its overall therapeutic effect. Appreciating these qualities allows for a deeper, more intuitive relationship with our plant allies. A core function of these plant allies is to support our overall vitality. They don't just treat symptoms, they work to strengthen our inherent resilience, helping our bodies and minds return to a state of natural equilibrium. This foundational support is crucial for long-term health. Let's explore some key functional categories of plant allies that can profoundly impact our daily lives. Understanding these categories helps us choose the right plant for our specific needs, guiding us toward greater balance and well-being. First, we have adaptogens, a remarkable class of plants that help us navigate stress. They assist the body in adapting to various stressors, whether physical, emotional, or environmental, promoting resilience and stability. Adaptogens help normalize bodily functions, bringing us back to a state of calm equilibrium. Next are nervines, plants specifically known for their ability to soothe the nervous system. They can calm agitation, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of peace and relaxation. Nervines are gentle allies for anyone seeking tranquility in a sometimes overwhelming world. Finally, we consider immune boosters, plants that fortify our body's natural defenses. These allies help strengthen our immune system, making us more resilient against illness and supporting our overall health. They are vital for maintaining robust well-being throughout the year. Let's now turn our attention to some accessible plant allies that you can easily integrate into your daily life. These plants are widely recognized for their gentle yet powerful effects, offering a wonderful starting point for your journey into the living pharmacy. Each one brings its unique gifts to support your mind, body, and spirit. First, we introduce ashwagandha, often revered as a powerful adaptogen. This ancient herb, deeply rooted in Ayurvedic tradition, is a true cornerstone for modern well-being. Its primary function is exceptional stress management, helping your body cope with the demands of daily life. Ashwagandha offers a wealth of key benefits that contribute to overall vitality. It is known to improve energy levels, providing a sustained sense of vigor without the jitters often associated with stimulants. This gentle energy boost helps you feel more capable and resilient throughout your day. Furthermore, ashwagandha promotes restful sleep, guiding your body into a deeper, more restorative slumber. By calming the nervous system, it helps quiet the mind, making it easier to drift off and wake feeling refreshed. This profound sleep support is invaluable for holistic health. Beyond its physical effects, ashwagandha provides grounding properties, helping to anchor you amidst life's turbulence. It fosters a sense of inner stability and calm, reducing feelings of overwhelm and promoting emotional balance. This grounding energy is deeply comforting. In our fast-paced world, ashwagandha's relevance cannot be overstated. It acts as a gentle buffer against chronic stress, supporting your adrenal glands and helping your body maintain equilibrium. It's a wise ally for anyone seeking greater resilience and peace in their daily routine. Next, we embrace chamomile, a beloved and gentle nervine. This delicate flower is a universal symbol of comfort and tranquility, cherished across cultures for its soothing properties. Its primary function is to provide calming and relaxing effects, making it a perfect companion for unwinding. Chamomile offers several key benefits that nurture both mind and body. It effectively eases anxiety, gently quieting racing thoughts and promoting a sense of inner peace. Its mild sedative qualities help to soothe frayed nerves, bringing a welcome sense of calm. It also profoundly promotes relaxation, melting away tension from both the physical body and a mental landscape. A warm cup of chamomile tea can be a ritual of self-care, signaling to your body that it's time to rest and rejuvenate. This gentle relaxation is deeply restorative. Crucially, chamomile improves sleep quality, helping you transition smoothly into a peaceful night's rest. By calming the nervous system before bed, it prepares your body for deep, uninterrupted sleep. This makes it an excellent choice for those seeking natural sleep support. The most common application for chamomile is, of course, its consumption as a comforting tea. Brewing a cup allows you to experience its aromatic and therapeutic benefits directly, making it an accessible and enjoyable way to invite calm into your day. It's a simple pleasure with profound effects. Finally, we turn to elderberry, a potent immune booster. This vibrant berry, with its rich history in traditional medicine, is a powerful ally for fortifying our natural defenses. Its primary function is supporting our body's natural defenses against illness, especially during vulnerable times. Elderberry offers significant key benefits, particularly for immune health. It is incredibly rich in antioxidants, compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants contribute to overall cellular health and resilience, supporting the body's protective mechanisms. Furthermore, elderberry possesses antiviral properties, making it a valuable resource during cold and flu season. Studies suggest it can help reduce the severity and duration of viral infections, offering a natural way to bolster your body's ability to fight off common ailments. This makes it a proactive choice for wellness. Its specific use shines brightest when we consider its role during cold and flu season. Incorporating elderberry into your routine can provide an extra layer of protection, helping you stay well when seasonal challenges arise. It's a comforting and effective way to support your immune system naturally. These three plant allies, ashwagandha, chamomile, and elderberry, represent just a glimpse into the vast living pharmacy. Each offers unique gifts, inviting us to connect with nature's wisdom and support our well-being in gentle, profound ways. They are accessible entry points to a deeper relationship with the plant kingdom. Our journey into the living pharmacy calls for more than just consumption. It demands a deeper engagement, a mindful relationship with the plant kingdom. We are not merely taking from nature, but entering into a sacred exchange, a dance of reciprocity. This perspective transforms our interaction. This deeper engagement requires us to move beyond simply viewing plants as commodities. We must recognize them as living beings, integral to the health of our planet and our own well-being. This shift in perception fosters respect and gratitude for their gifts. Central to this mindful relationship are the principles of ethical sourcing. It is our responsibility to ensure that the plants we use are gathered and cultivated with care and respect. This commitment protects both the plants themselves and the ecosystems they inhabit. Prioritizing sustainably harvested plants is paramount. This means choosing products where plants are collected in a way that does not deplete their populations or harm their natural habitats. Sustainable practices ensure these precious resources remain available for future generations. Supporting ethical growers is another vital aspect of responsible engagement. These growers often employ organic practices, fair labor standards, and a deep respect for the land. By choosing their products, we contribute to a healthier, more equitable system. Understanding product origins allows us to trace the journey of our plant allies from earth to our hands. Knowing where and how a plant was grown or harvested connects us more deeply to its story and ensures transparency in our choices. This knowledge empowers us. Cultivating a mindful relationship with nature extends beyond sourcing. It involves a profound shift in our personal outlook. It's about recognizing our place within the intricate web of life, not above it. This connection enriches our spirit and deepens our appreciation. Acknowledging plants as sentient beings in their own unique way fosters a sense of reverence. They respond to their environment, communicate, and possess an inherent life force. This recognition encourages us to interact with them with gentleness and respect. Finally, recognizing our responsibility to protect their habitats is a crucial aspect of reciprocity. The health of the plant kingdom directly impacts our own. By advocating for conservation and supporting ecological preservation, we ensure the living pharmacy continues to thrive for all. As we conclude our exploration, we invite you to carry forward this deeper connection with the plant kingdom. Take a moment to appreciate the sheer beauty, the incredible resilience, and the profound healing wisdom that plants offer us every single day. They are truly miraculous. This journey encourages a shifting perspective, moving beyond a mechanistic view of health that often sees the body as a collection of separate parts. Instead, we embrace a holistic understanding, recognizing the intricate interplay of mind, body, and spirit. Plants guide us to this integration. By embracing the living pharmacy, we foster harmony not only within ourselves, but also with the natural world around us. This sense of interconnectedness brings a profound peace and a deeper understanding of our place in the grand tapestry of life. It is a beautiful dance,